We're going to show you how to connect the HP OfficeJet Pro 8025 printer to a 5 GHz network. We will do this via the control panel. On the control panel, you will notice that the wireless LED is blinking as it is not connected to any network. To begin, swipe down and tap on the wireless icon. The printer is not connected to any wireless network. Do you want to connect the printer now? Select yes. It has found our network, which is Technology Tips 5 GHz. Select that. We need to enter the password. Once the password is entered, select OK. The connection is successful, and you can see that there is a 5 GHz indicated on the control panel. Select OK to go back to the main menu. So this is how you connect your printer to the 5 GHz wireless network using the front panel of the printer.